These puppies are available. They are on raw food, but you can easily switch to kibble if that is what you want to do. Like I said before, parents are international grand champions, qualifying for Westminster and Crufts almost every year. Our chin dude. This is their enrichment yard where they learn how to overcome scary things and noises. So when our chin come home, they are fearless. Amazing, affectionate temperaments, clowns, little clowns that will have you laughing all the time. And yes, a lot of people get asked or ask me if I would advise them getting two at the same time. And honestly, if you are home and you want to be entertained, my goodness, yes. Most breeds, I would say no, wait a year between puppies. But with this toy breed, they're going to be into the owners no matter what. They love their owners and their owners' attention above all else. But their antics, when you have two, their antics are just hysterical. And they will keep each other company if you are working as well. This is the loudest that they get, and it's only because they're playing. This is a quiet breed that makes it so ideal for any environment. And even in the wintertime, I will put these kids out. They can tolerate mild temperatures. Extreme temperatures, no. You want to be cognizant of that with any baby. If you're not outside, they shouldn't be outside. On occasion, we will be producing lemon. It's kind of a passion of mine to own lemon, so I will be exploring that. Generally, we will have black and white and sable. And we don't breed all the time. This is not obviously a money-making venture. This is a hobby that I am very extremely passionate about, doing all dog sporting events with this breed. But after they get all their titles, I need next generation to carry on. And what puppies I don't keep, I will put up for adoption, which is the case right now. I'm keeping 3 puppies. So these kids are looking for homes.